Hey guys, it's me Akal, and in this video you will learn how to make money fast with affiliate marketing. Once you learn this method, then you can keep on using it again and again to keep on making money with affiliate marketing in an easy way. Okay, so as you can see in my screen, there is a product being promoted. That's the name of that product is GenBrain, and it is being promoted in Bing.com, Microsoft Bing, and you can promote this exact product in this platform by targeting this keyword, which is GenBrain. Okay, product name is also GenBrain, and you can target people who are searching for GenBrain in Microsoft Bing, which is also called brand bidding. And I'll talk about each and everything in a step-by-step process in this video, so watch this video till the end. I'll make you clarify all the things so that you can keep on using this strategy to keep on making money with different other products that allows this kind of facility to bid on their brand name. Okay, so whatever I am showing you in this video, if you want to implement all of these things and learn everything in a step-by-step process, then let me inform you that I already have a course that has 517 students, and the name of this course is CPA marketing with PPC advertising, get sales consistently. You can take this course in extremely low price. Okay, you can even get this course in below this price. I'll put the link in the description, and you can also come here and see what lessons you are going to learn at here. Okay, also you can read the people who have already purchased this course and taken this course. Okay, you can learn it. I mean, you can read these things and decide whether it is good fit for you or not. Okay, so now without doing any delay, let's get started with our video. So this is a platform that is called Bing.com. Okay, understand everything properly. Now people come and search here for various things, and one of the thing that they will search is GenBrain, and they will see this kind of product because they are searching for this kind of product. Now they may click on any of this. Either they may click here, or this may not appear sometime. Okay, and they may click on here. Okay, and once they click on here, then they will be headed to a site where they can purchase this product. And if you use your affiliate link to promote this product in this platform, then if they click on that link and purchase that product, then you will get a pre-decided commission. Now this product, the affiliate link of this product is available in this platform that is called Max Bounty. So if you already have account on Max Bounty, then that is not a big problem. Otherwise, you can simply visit to maxbounty.com and click on are you an affiliate, and follow everything in a step-by-step process to apply to be an affiliate of Max Bounty. And once you apply to become an affiliate with Max Bounty, then you can get lots of affiliate link of various product. Okay, and what you can do is, once you log into your Max Bounty, then simply click on search. Okay, then this all may be selected, deselect it all and only select this one, brand bid. Okay, and click on apply search option, and you'll see lots of product at here. Okay, now you can literally bid on all of these keywords. Look, for example, you can bid on Vigor Now. Okay, this product name is Vigor Now, and you can bid on their product name Vigor Now. Similarly, here you can see GenBrain. Okay, and you can see here which country it is allowed to be promoted: USA, Canada, Mexico, Australia, Ireland. Okay, and if you bring one sale, then you will get up to $95 in commission. Okay, just for one sale. So you if you already don't have a Microsoft ad account, then what you can do is you can simply type on Google Microsoft ad $100 ad coupon. Okay, and click on those link, and if you create an account on Microsoft ad, then you will get $100 ad credit if you spend $25 in Microsoft ad. Okay, so if you deposit $25 and spend that $25, then immediately you will get extra $100 to promote your offer from Max Bounty in Microsoft ad. And once you get this link, okay, and then you can create an ad. Okay, to create an ad, what you can do is simply get a notepad. Okay, notepad, and firstly copy some of the ad that is related to JetBrains, okay, in this way, so that you can, sorry, just copy these ads in your notepad. You can copy up to 2 ad, 3 ad, how much. This is not ad, but it seems enticing, okay, because people are clicking in this kind of text so that they are appearing above this in this sorts, okay. So you can copy this also, it seems nice. So you can just copy and paste all of these things, and uh, watch these and create your own variation of ad that people would love to click, okay. What you need is a higher amount of clicks, okay, you need in your ad, so that your ads keep on appearing at top, okay. So for that purpose you need to watch other people's ad and brainstorm. You can even visit to the offer page like JetBrains page. You can visit to their official page and see what are the text available at there, and put that text in your ad and run that ad, okay. So once you run uh, ad on Microsoft Ad in this way that other people are running, and once you start to get a higher amount of click than other people, then you will immediately start to see some sales coming in, and one sale can bring you $95, okay, as you can see. So this can be a fastest way to make money with affiliate marketing, but for this you need to follow all of this process, and you may think that this can be a little bit complicated, but that's not the case, okay. It is extremely easy once you practice to do all of this, and everything becomes simple and simple, okay. And once again, if you want to learn each and everything in a step-by-step process on how to do, okay, and you can watch my this course, that is CPM marketing with PPC advertising, get sales consistently. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please do comment below, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Do like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.